Hi guys, and welcome back to the kingdom. I hope you guys had positive and productive weeks this week. So this week I will be showing you guys the book art I did for Caraval. So here is the finished product. I've obviously taken the dust jacket off. So we've got Caraval stars and the sort of tent sort of pattern in white. We've got the suits, plain suits, top, bottom, and sprayed on the edge with a top hat. And remember, it's only a game with a legend silhouette. There's also glittery, but I'm not sure if you can see the glitter very well on the camera. So I'm not going to wait too long and just jump into what I did. how it came out. I'm really pleased with the results and how this came out, as you can see. So with this book, again, one of the big problems was the fact that pages are deckled. I'm going to have to try and find out a way to flatten the edges, maybe some sort of planer. So I'm going to look into that, though experimenting is quite difficult when you're in lockdown but you're not in your home, you're staying somewhere else. I don't have all of my art supplies with me, which is another thing that came up about this project. There were several things that I wanted to do, for example drawing with pencils and going into more detail. The problem is that I don't have a lot of my materials here. However, I'm still going to do those designs. So I have bought, as chance would have it, I end up having 2 copies of the same book. These are both Caraval, this one unpainted, obviously, and this one has been decorated. So this one is part of the series that I've got, including Legendary and Finale, which I'm going to have them all linked up. However, some of the designs that I want to do are going to require materials that I don't currently have, and with the lockdown situation, I'm not sure what's going to happen with regard to getting hold of those materials. Some of my pencils are quite expensive because they're nice, high quality pencils. So we'll see what happens. I don't know what to say. In terms of the book I'm going to do next, I'm not really sure. I have finished Stalking Jack the Ripper, but again, I have some very specific ideas for what I want to do with that cover, and I don't think I'll be able to do it in lockdown. Potentially King of Scars, potentially Dancing with Thieves. I've also, in the last week, I have read most of the Throne of Glass series, and I'm trying to come up with designs that I can do on those, so maybe you'll see some of that. I honestly can't say, but I know that I will definitely be buying a lot of books again in the future because I've just been paid, so it's time to splurge. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Apologies for the appearance. I mean, I am wearing makeup, but I did put it on like 7-8 hours ago. I hope you guys stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!